Hi guys, I'm going to go over the answers to is it a theory and what is biological evolution. So one of the issues with the word theory is the way it's used in everyday language versus science. It's really different. So in everyday language, people will use the word theory as just a hunch, but in science, the word theory holds a lot more weight. If something is just a hunch in science, we call it a hypothesis. But a theory is as good as fact when it comes to science. So only 4 of these statements actually apply to what a theory is. So first is that theories, they do include observations, because to actually make conclusions about the world around us, we have to start with observations. Again, theories are not just hunches that scientists have, that's a hypothesis. C is not correct. Theories cannot include personal beliefs or opinions, because then that's not science. D is correct. Okay, theories have been tested many times, and that is why they are as good as fact. E, theories, they are not incomplete temporary ideas. Again, they are as close to calling something a fact as in science as we can get. A theory never changes. That is actually not true either, because if we do make additional observations or we keep testing things and we feel like we need to change something, we can change a theory. G, theories are inferred explanations strongly supported by evidence. Yes, especially this right here. That is what makes something a theory. H, a scientific law has been proven and a theory has not. Again, that is not true. A theory has so much evidence that is supporting it. And then I is the last one that goes along with what is a theory. They can be used to make predictions. J, with other things in science, calling it a law, like the gravitational law, that is no more important to science than a theory. All right, so now if we are going to be studying the theory of evolution, biological evolution, again, is how are we using this word in biology. The word evolution really does just mean change, okay? So Mario thinks it's another term for natural selection. Now, natural selection is part of evolution, but that's not all of it. Sally thinks it's how life started, okay? That is not what we are studying with evolution. I think it mainly explains how life changed after it started. That is correct. Because again, if biological means life and evolution means change, we are studying how life has changed over time. And evolution is a theory because there is so much evidence that supports how life has changed over time. And this evidence also points out how living things are related to each other. And that is what we're going to be learning about.